you bring it in. As soon as she brought the Bible up,
Hey you, my name is LaQuanda and welcome to TG Customs. In today's video, I'll be making custom cold cups with rhinestones on the top, on the side, not the bottom, that's it. On this channel, guys, I do make custom shirts, keychains, cold cups, basically anything with the surface I can customize. So if you're interested in those kinds of videos, consider subscribing because it is free for you and it's free for me. If you are already subscribed, welcome back. And thank you so much for coming back. If you are not subscribed, but you are returning, you might as well go ahead and subscribe now because, you know, you obviously like me, but I hope you do. Anyways, guys, I'm not going to hold you. I'm going to jump right into the video. Let's get to the point and give you guys what you came here for. So let's go. Open up Cricut Design Space on your device. I already have mine opened up to just show my project that I'll be working on today. But you can do a search if you have your projects named. You can do a search right here in the search bar and put in the project name, press enter, and whatever is under that name will pop up for you. So I have done this project before, so we're going to go ahead and open up this save project. We are making changes, so we'll select customize. And these butterflies were what I used for the last cold cup, so those do not have to be altered. We're just going to use the same setup. And we're gonna add our names for today. So today the font we'll be using is Birdside, same as before. For my keychains, for some reason this font just keeps speaking to me. My husband said that it's a good font and it matches the butterflies. So we'll use that for the cup today. I've never used it on the cup, I think. I don't even remember, but yeah. The first name we're doing is Tonika. Let me see how that looks with a capital. Okay. And then because they are spaced out, let me just go ahead and zoom in for you guys. Okay, so what I always do, we'll click on actions, not action, sorry. We'll click on edit, letter space, and we'll make these closer together. Okay, so once they are connected to your liking, I just want to move this T over. So let me just select it, and we're going to click on actions now, ungroup. Select the T and move it over just a little bit. Okay, so now once it is attached to your liking, you will select everything, attach it, and then weld. Alright, and the next name I'm adding, same font, which is Birdside, is Ariel. Okay, so also for this one, we have to attach the letters. Okay, so those have all actually attached very well. However, because they were separate and we now attach them, even though we're not ungrouping and grouping and yada yada yada, we still have to weld it, because if you do not weld it right here with this letter, for example, if you don't weld it, it's going to cut the letter like this. To avoid that, I always weld. Even if I don't need to weld, my brain tells me weld. Okay, now we're going to size it to 5 inches in width. That is what I use for all of my cold cups. Okay, and once that is sized, I'm going to change it to the color that we'll be cutting out on, which is white. Now as you can see, there's no cut. You know what, let me see if I can show you an example. I'm going to do just a test one so you can see what it would look like if you do not weld it. Now you see how right here there's a line. So do the opposite. The line is behind the E. So if you don't weld it, when you cut it out, it's gonna cut like that. So the E will basically be cut off from the word. So now if I select it, actions and weld, everything is now connected together. Okay. All right, so let's go ahead and get that deleted. I'm just gonna double check my cup to make sure 5 inches is what we need. This cup is from Walmart. This is the TAL brand. This is a color changer cup. You will see at the end. I'm not sure if they still have them in stock, but that's where I got those from. They do come in different colors. This is the other cup. Now this cup is a color changing confetti cup, and these are sold in my store, which is tgcustoms.com. If you'd like to order you a set, go ahead and check out my website. Like I said, these are color changing. Okay, once we confirm our sizing, we're gonna go ahead and click on Make It. We're not mirroring anything since these are stickers. And we're gonna send to the Cricut machine. Everything, I've cut them out, I've sorted them for the 2 cups, so now we are ready to apply it to the cup. So I'm gonna start with the name first. I'm gonna start with the name first. I'm gonna add the name first, and then the butterflies, and then I will rhinestone it. Today I'm using this glue, which is the Liquid Fusion Heavy Duty. I don't know how to pronounce that word. I love using E6000. I have gotten a few comments on TikTok about how E6000 is toxic. I am still doing my own research on that. However, today I'm going to use, I'm using this because the E6000, I may have enough. And I'm finding a trick because the E6000, I like how when you put the rhinestone on, the rhinestone sticks to the glue because the E6000 is more tacky. But I'm trying to see if I have to like let this glue dry a little bit to make it a little tacky to make the rhinestone stick. It's very annoying putting the rhinestone on the glue and it comes back off with the wax too because the glue is too watery. So right now this did pretty well with me letting it dry a little bit. So let's keep on moving to see how the rest of it works. I'm done with the name. My camera says I've been recording for 25 minutes. I don't think it took 25 minutes, but yeah, this alone took a few minutes. So now I'm gonna work on the second cup, and then I'm gonna work on the lids, and then we should be done for these 2 orders. butterflies are now on. You may have noticed some of the butterflies were coming up. But the thing about vinyl, from what I've experienced, is you can stick it down today, and then in about 24 hours, that's when it actually sticks permanently. See the quotes, permanently. So that's why I'm doing these cups today, because they're not picking these up until Wednesday, and it's a Monday. So we got time for it to set properly. But those are set, and now we're going to work on getting the rhinestones added to the name. Okay, and about 20 minutes later as well, the second cup is done. All right, so I'm gonna let this dry, and we're gonna go ahead and start working on the lids. In the middle of me making the the bling lid, I just got an order on Etsy for keychains. Shout out to my order from Etsy. So after I'm done with these bling cups, I can't talk. After I'm done with the bling cups, I will work on that order and get that shipped out ASAP. Thank you. Okay, back to the cups. Many hours later, both lids are complete. I had to stop recording in real time, or even recording the whole process, because it was taking too long. But here's both lids. They are complete. Alright guys, so both cups are complete. Here is the first cup. And the second cup. Since the lids were completed today, I'm going to allow these lids to at least set for 24 hours before I ship them off. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching today's video. If you did enjoy the video, go ahead and give us a like. I don't know who us is, because it's just me. But go ahead and leave a like if you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, you can leave those below in the comment section. If you're not already subscribed, you made it this far, you might as well subscribe, because that means you like me, or you like what I do. Alright guys, so thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video, whenever that may be. Bye.